Righto, cab drivers or train drivers, and what size to have. Okay, so my mate here in Perth, Australia, he's pretty good at 3D printing, as you can see. These are the train drivers from Colts. I have subscribed and I bought these ones. So the white ones were as they came from the file. As you can see, there's kind of like two different sizes there. Pardon me. This guy in the end here is a, well, he's 00 scale. He's one of the chaps I just bought at a bulk lot. But he fitted really well, and he's about the right size for the trains. So I did the lady driver or observer and the other driver. They are 85% of the one on the white one there on the right. Okay, so my mate just banged off a whole heap of them for me until I sized them against this fellow here and other Hornby-sized people. So then we've come up with that size there. As you can see, there's the floor level going across. So he's probably not too bad. And here's the female driver or observer. And here on my class 31, so they might not be exactly right, but I think they're pretty close. And that is going along the lines of this fellow here. Sorry, I'm just lining him up near the door. He is very big. He is measured out at just under 6 foot with my calipers at 4 millimeters to the foot. So I think these guys here are pretty good. So yeah, I've got another couple of female observers, and he can just do as many as he wants for me. Absolutely beautiful printing compared to some of the other offerings I've seen. So I'm going to go with those. Righto. So just a real quick little update. Got my class 37 just trundling around with my Acura scale hopper wagons, the 21-ton hopper wagons. And I've got another rake of them here. And that's my Bachmann, what is that, 062, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a beautiful little thing. Pardon me. And I've actually wired it up. I've got my dual controller here. So I can, on my simple little layout / test track, I can just have a little play. Goes through the points quite nicely. A little bit of dual running. Make sure you turn the control the right way to stop. Righto. There you go. Table's a mess. I've been making RC trucks. Pull that bit of track off at the other side there to give myself some access. But always thinking about doing bits and pieces for the future layout. Having a great time. and I'll get rid of that that power bus bar thing on the track there at some stage. Righto, cheers.